All right. So, basically, I just wanted to show this pretty nifty thing that CLion, that CLion, like, yeah, you can do with CLion. CLion, for those that don't know, is basically an IDE um, made by JetBrains that's intended for C++. And if you've been following my tweets or my YouTube, you can see you'll see that I've been trying to learn the basics uh, around C++, and here we are. Basically, this is it's a switch statement, and if you don't know what a switch statement is, basically what it is that it takes in a variable, and that variable is used within the code block, and within this code block, within the switch statement, specific cases need to be met in order for code to be ran. Otherwise, if any these cases that aren't met, then the default code is ran. So it's kind of like an if statement almost. Not if statement, but these are basically conditions. So if age is 16, then run this code. If I mean, it's 18, then run this code. If it's 21, then run this code. If it's not 16, 18, or 21, then run this code. Sorry. Um, Obviously it's buggy. If you're 17, you can still drive. If you're 19, you can still buy some lottery tickets. Whatever. It's super simple breakdown. But what I wanted to show was that in CLion, you can actually see before you even run the code, you can see what is going to be ran. So, for example, I have 17 right here because it's not 16, 18, 21. Then default is gonna run. Um, Now you see me, I'll change it to 1. It's still gonna be default because 1 isn't 16, 18, or 21. But if I put 16, look at that. The highlight moves. This is gonna run before I even run it. So now I'm gonna run it. This output is gonna change. It says hey, you can drive. Hey, that's freaking awesome. 18. Look at that. It changes. When I delete that, it goes to default. Let's change it to 21. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I really appreciate this. JetBrains, thank you so much. Um, like I said, this is my first time learning C++, and I previously wrote JavaScript, and honestly, it was cool. I like JavaScript, but god damn, C++ is just, mm, I really like it. And anyway, yeah, CLion, man. CLion is great. I suggest anybody who's learning C++ or is already using it. I don't even know if this is like an industry, if this is used within the industry. I know for a fact it isn't, because I know at work they use Visual Studio. Um, but I really like CLion. It's a great IDE for C++. But yeah, this is how switch statements are shown in CLion.